I finally got my items for Chanel 21P collection. I'm so excited. So please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today is an extremely exciting video for me. I finally got my items for 21P collection. I have two items, one in a smaller package. It's a custom jewelry, and one in a big package. It's a handbag. So please don't click anywhere, stay with me. But before we proceed, if you're into fashion, if you're into luxury, if you're into handbags specifically, please consider subscribing to my channel, because I'm absolutely positive that you're gonna find at least some useful information on my channel. So let's start it. And the first item, obviously I want to unbox this little cutie. This is an earrings, and I did recently like a small kind of like, you know, one hand unboxing on my YouTube video. Oh, sorry, on my Instagram. So I'm not gonna tie back the ribbons and everything, but I just wanna show to you items a little bit closer, obviously. And I wanna try this item on me because I already had some questions on Instagram. How do they look like? Because and this is earrings, I mentioned already. And because when it comes to Chanel earrings, I have very this is just a care booklet. I have very difficult time to find any earrings that not so heavy for my ears. And there you go. Let me just make sure that it's focused on the earrings. There you go guys, and it's ruthenium and gold, and I already tried them and they're absolutely perfect. Let me put them on and I will show to you. And as I said, I have usually problem with Chanel earrings to get for me the long one, the big one, the dangly, because they're usually too heavy for my ears and I cannot really wear them. But this one, there is some weight, but it's actually quite tolerable, and I absolutely love how they look like on me. Let me just put the second one and I will get closer to the camera. The second one is on as well. Let me come a little bit closer to the camera and you will see. So there you go guys, absolutely perfect. I love them. I absolutely love them. I think they look absolutely perfect. Please don't mind my nails because obviously we are in the COVID lockdown. I think they're absolutely perfect. Love them, absolutely love them. So one unboxing is done, and the next one is obviously a handbag. And oh my gosh guys, I'm so excited. I'm kind of like, you know, all over the place today. No rhymes or reasons what I'm saying. I guess it's just because maybe I'm too excited. Okay, so obviously the proof of purchase, just gonna put it away right there. And this handbag I literally lost all the hope of getting, because it's extremely popular this season and it's very rare and unusual color for Chanel, because Chanel mostly like, you know, either black or any other color. And this is actually a true unboxing guys. Just want to make sure that the lighting is okay, because you can see I didn't even rip the packaging. Okay. So excited, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the finally a handbag, and let me show you. Ta-da! I can't believe I was able to get this handbag, because literally, as according to my essay, in the boutiques that I usually shop, they got only 2 handbags, and I did pre-order of this handbag, and the first one obviously went so quickly, like I don't know, nobody even able to see it. Like my essay wasn't even able to send me any pictures because it just gone like that. And I was the second one in line, hopefully to get a second handbag if it will be available. and as you know, especially with the COVID and stuff, quite often the shipment get canceled, so I was literally lost all the hope. And then finally my SA, she called me and she said, your handbag is in the store. And the reason for that is that I wanted, because I have already Chanel a jacket. Maybe when I'm gonna do my modeling shots I will show you with my Chanel jacket, but let me grab it actually. So when it comes to brown color, it's not everybody's cup of tea, but brown is one of my favorite colors, and I have Chanel jacket in brown, and I thought it's going to be a perfect match. So you can see how nicely it's matching with my handbag. And if you're wondering about the color, obviously I have my Hermes gold color bracelet. You can see how close they are, and here is my Hermes gold color belt. You can see the Hermes gold color belt has a little bit more kind of yellowish. This one, it's as Chanel call it brown, but it's truly more of the caramel color. I hope it comes true to the camera. So let me actually remove all this stuff, because so far I'm talking, I didn't even unbox it, because you know, as I said, it's the first time also I'm looking at this handbag myself. Like you can see, all the packaging and everything is still inside. Okay, so even you can see the wrapping on the chain. So let me just remove all of this and I will get back to you guys. Okay, finally, ta-da! I am so excited. So once again, it's Chanel 19 in brown color. Officially it's a brown color, but in community we call it caramel, and it's a size small. And I remember it was years ago, I was asking my SA if, you know, ever you're gonna get a caramel color or brown color, I will be very interested. And she goes like, you know, oh, it's actually quite a rare color at Chanel. We don't really do much browns when it comes to Chanel, and this season when they introduced this brown, like I have to have it. I have to have it. My options was obviously if I could get a mini, but I don't want a mini because once again I use my minis, I love my minis, but I use them quite seldom because, you know, they're too small for me for everyday use. I didn't want to get another Coco handle because I already have Coco handle in the beige color. Maybe I'm actually gonna grab that beige color, so you're gonna see the difference. And so my options was either Business Affinity or Chanel 19, and I definitely put my preferences to Chanel 19. If I could get it, I'm like, you know, I'm so happy. Let me actually grab my Coco handle in beige, and you're gonna see the difference between standard Chanel beige color and this caramel. So here you go, guys. I grabbed my Chanel Coco handle in beige, and you can see how this color a little bit more yellow. Actually, let me just almost completely remove the supporting light. So there you go. You can see, guys, here is the Chanel beige. There you go. And here is this caramel color. You can see the difference clearly between them. A little bit more light. So now, since I'm talking, so this is my Coco handle in beige right there. So let me just, and this is Chanel 19 in caramel. Okay, so let me actually put my glasses on and I will look at this handbag, because this is the first time I'm looking at it. All right, so actually quite nice. I don't see any problem with the handbag. Yeah, obviously it's made in Italy. So the authenticity, it's already number 31. Okay, so I inspect this handbag. I'm extremely happy. I think it's a color to have from this collection, 100%. And you know, it's funny, I always say how you know, the preferences changing over the years, because I remember before my choice number one always kind of more structured handbags, but lately I'm really enjoying more softer handbags, and obviously it's because of the Chanel 19. And I remember, because Chanel 19 is really fairly expensive, my first one, it was Lulu puffer bag, and I enjoyed that handbag actually quite nicely, and I sold it. But the problem with that handbag, the reasons that I sold it, it was start rubbing in the corners because the corners are so pointy. But I used that handbag, and I purchased that handbag to find out if I really love the soft handbags, and I definitely do. Let me remove this one, so it's distracting. So, and I definitely do. I'm so glad that I was able to score this handbag, because I knew if I wouldn't get this handbag, God knows when the next time they're gonna do this kind of like a deep caramel color. Though, as I said, they call it brown. It's definitely not a brown. It's I would say it's kind of like mochaccino color, like really beautiful. When you put lots of cream inside the coffee, that's kind of the colors that you're gonna get. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Not much to say except that it's beautiful, except that I'm extremely happy. And what I love about that, as I said, I can use it with my Hermes belt. I have my Hermes already smaller version of 24, and I know for a fact I can get always some kind of shoes from Hermes in this color, and I absolutely love it. So later on, I'm maybe gonna even do the comparison between my two Chanel 19s. And obviously you see how the earrings looking really nice with this handbag, because it has titanium, it has a gold, it has a silver. I mean, it's a perfection together. So really happy what I got this season. As I said, it was a wild card. I didn't, let me just actually put it up there. So really happy what I got this season. It was definitely wild card, because I didn't even expect to get this handbag this season, but I'm extremely happy. I'm so glad that I was able to score it, and I can see that I can use this handbag. See, the beauty of this handbag, it's all year around. You can use it in summer, fall, spring, you name it. And as I said, it's modern, but at the same time it's a little bit edgy. There is a classic, like, I mean, there is nothing negative to say about this handbag. I'm so happy. So that's about it, guys, for today's unboxing. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel in general, please consider subscribing. And I guess I will see you on my next one. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Put all your questions and comments below, and I will answer them if I can. Okay, once again, bye bye, and I will see you on my next one.